Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add gradient text in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. After opening the Canva, you can see create a design button on the top right corner. Click on it and create a new design as you prefer. Here I am choosing the YouTube thumbnail. Now on the left side, you can see different options here. Click on the apps. Now click on the search bar and type in type gradient. After that, click on the type gradient option. Here you can type any of your desired text that you want to make it look in gradient color. Now after that, scroll down and here you can choose your preferred color. Now scroll down and here you can see add to design option. Click on it. After following this simple step, you can easily add text gradient in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.